A DHMO is a dental health maintenance organization. DHMOs are typically the most affordable dental plans, both on premiums and out-of-pocket cost. They offer complete coverage on all basic, major, preventive, and orthodontic dental procedures at a price you can afford with no deductibles. All you are responsible for is your monthly payment and what you pay at the office. How can a DHMO do this? A schedule of benefits is given to you when you sign up, and much like a menu, it shows you all covered procedures and exactly what you pay. There's a network of dentists that participates with DHMOs, and you can assign yourself to any of these offices with the freedom to switch at any time. Additionally, you will have high annual maximums, allowing you to visit the dentist without the worry of going over. This way, DHMOs minimize the cost and provide you with the quality care you need. Visit our website to find out more.